Welcome to the show. We look at Baby Speed and his cheese rolling expedition, and we have a special song if you stay until the end. We couldn't get Adele today, so we got our in-house band to perform Rolling in the Cheese, just for you lucky folks. Stay cheesy.
Basically, there's this tradition in the UK, Pacific Ledger City. It's called the cheese rolling competition. I'm about to show y'all a quick clip of it real quick of what it is. This is maybe one of my most dangerous videos ever for this cheese rolling competition. Basically, they throw a block of cheese and you run after it. There's people that broke their bones, people that broke their collarbones, paralyzed, and somebody even died doing this. I really hope I don't die, but we turn it up. Let's win ourselves some cheese. I know this may be a random video, but let's go get some cheese. I got the cheese. Come on! Ready to get some cheese? Yeah. Give me a high five for good luck. God damn it! High five for good luck. God damn it! Some cheese. Then he got the life without taking this. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna get the hill. Good game, bro. All right, Chad, this is the guy who won, man, first place. I came in fourth, but...
Fourth? Oh, well
yeah,
done, well done.
That's not that bad, but Ziggy to you, what's her name?
Tom.
Shout out to Tom.
I finally found someone who makes me melt, someone I can spend my life with in my mouth. I've tried other foods, but they can't compare. You melt me with your delicious flair. Whether you're fresh or getting moldy, the way you stink just consoles me. We could have had it all. Take me to where the cheese rolls, and I wanna go, and I gotta go, and I'm gonna go.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you like a warm slice of Wensleydale. Please comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. I've been your host. Now if you will excuse me, that cheese sandwich is not going to eat itself, bro. Until next time.
There's a wheel of cheddar on my kitchen floor. See it rolling like a river, I can ask for more. Got a pound of Gouda sitting in my trunk.